Hey guys, welcome back, it's Billy, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the Vegtrug Smart Plant Monitor. This Smart Plant Monitor works via Bluetooth and it's available on Android and iOS. It's a 4-in-1 monitor, so it monitors your light, your moisture, your fertility and even the temperature of your plant. It works alongside the companion app. I've already got one inside this plant and I've been using this for over a week now, so I wanted to give it a proper test before we did this video. They come with a lithium battery. I call these button batteries. I'm not sure what they're actually called, but they're pretty cheap, so if you need to replace them, it's not going to be very expensive and you can usually buy them in packs. Inside you get the plant monitor and you also get the instruction manual with it as well. Make sure when you're setting up to actually remove the little piece of film from the battery. I'm not gonna lie, I did not properly read the instructions when I was unpacking this because I was so excited to try it that I didn't actually take the little film off the battery, popped it in my plant and wondered why it wasn't turning on. You do need power to be able to actually make this work, so please take that little bit of film off your battery, and then it will work. You'll see in the instructions it says to make sure that the plant monitor is not completely submerged in water. You'll want to make sure the top of the monitor, the plastic part, is sticking out and that it does not get submerged in the soil. The actual plant monitor entirely itself should not be in hydroponics for more than a couple of seconds. When watering your plants, please be careful of this as well, as you could damage the item. I'm going to unbox this one here for you now. It comes in this really cool case. I have no other use for this case, so it does make me think maybe we could have kept this in less plastic packaging considering it's a green fingered product. So you'll see it comes with your plant monitor and the instructions as well. Don't throw these out, please read them before you use it. They're actually really super useful. So this is how big it is. As you can see, it's not very big at all. It's absolutely tiny, but it's very adorable. So I've got a different plant over here today that hasn't got a smart plant monitor in it, and I haven't been monitoring this one. And this is, I believe it's a dragon plant, don't quote me on this, and I have left it to dry out a little bit. I don't know if you can tell, so it needs a little bit of TLC. So I figured the smart plant monitor would be a great way for me to show you how to do this. So again, you need to be able to, let me move this to the side. You need to open up this little plastic bit here and actually pull off the film. You can see there's this little, on one side, there's a little curved bit and you can get your nail in there and you should be able to just pop it off. It just pops off straight away, and as you can see, the little bit of film is there. You need to remove that before it'll actually work. Pop the bit of plastic back on and then pop it into your plant. But remember, you need to keep it a centimetre above where the actual plastic bit is so that you don't submerge it, because it's got the battery in there. I'm sure we all know why that's not a good thing. The next thing you need to do is actually set up the app. So download it either from Android or the iOS store. You should be able to follow the instructions. It's pretty simple. Again, if not, look on your instruction sheet. It will show you how to do it. You can then browse the database for the plants that you have. And if you can't find it, there is a really handy plant finding platform on there as well. So you can type in what sort of leaf it is and it'll help you decide what plant that you actually have. So you can put it in the database and it will tell you the right care needs for your plant. I personally think this is great for people who find that they kill plants pretty easily. I've definitely become more green fingered over the years, but the more help the merrier. One thing I definitely think this plant monitor could do better is actually notify you when your plant is thirsty or doesn't have enough light or is in season for fertilizer. I definitely think it's great that you can actually see the data there, but for it to then talk to you and tell you what to do, I think would be the next level step up for this kind of product. And perhaps this is already out there. I have seen Kickstarters of something similar, and I'm not sure if they had a notification system as well with their app, but I definitely think whoever makes these, you make a version 2, then please consider upgrading your app side and making it notifiable so that you can get a little alert on your phone telling you to water your plant. I think it would be a great help to a lot of ungreen fingered people. I would also recommend people only use this plant monitor for one plant and not try to move it around lots of different plants, because that's not really the purpose of it. It's supposed to be monitoring one plant permanently. It also could be useful, maybe you're monitoring a few plants in one room, and that's a better way for you to get a grasp on when all of those plants might need watering if you're grouping them all in similar categories. That might be a great idea. It has a price point of £26.99 on Amazon, which is where these came from, and you can also buy them in sets of 2. I would definitely like to invest in more of these smart plant monitors in the future, or similar type of products. But obviously if I can keep them all in one app, then that's generally a better thing to do. Then I'm not going to have to look over 3,000 apps to see how my plants are doing, especially when they're right here in front of me. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to leave a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. I have a Discord server, and I also stream on Twitch Monday to Wednesday, 7 o'clock GMT. Maybe come check those out sometime. It'd be great to see you. That's it from me. I'll see you later.